In Pakistan, regions of KPK and Gilgit-Baltistan are under relentless monsoon rains due to rapid climate change have triggered one of the worst floods in recent years, submerging entire villages and cutting off countless families from safety and basic necessities. Global Rahmah Foundation is working on the ground providing urgent relief in the form of food aid, clean water, medical and hygiene kits, and temporary shelters to those who have lost everything. With your support, we can reach more lives and restore hope to families facing despair. Please donate generously and stand with the people of Pakistan in their darkest hour.